Welcome to our deep dive into the essential features of building management systems, or BMS. In today's smart buildings, operators rely on three core tools: trend logging, scheduling, and alarm management. These features are the backbone of efficient building control, enabling real-time monitoring, proactive maintenance, and rapid response to any issues. Throughout this video, we'll explore how these elements work together to optimize building performance, save energy, and ensure occupant comfort and safety. Let's start by understanding why these features are so critical to modern facility management and how they empower operators to make informed decisions every day. Let's begin with trend logging. Trend logging is the continuous recording of data points from sensors, devices, or systems over time. This process is vital for analysis and diagnostics, allowing operators to spot patterns, detect anomalies, and make data-driven decisions. Imagine being able to look back at temperature, humidity, or energy usage over weeks or months. Trend logs make this possible. By capturing this historical data, BMS operators can identify inefficiencies, predict maintenance needs, and ensure systems are running optimally. Trend logging forms the foundation for proactive building management and continuous improvement. Trend logging isn't just about collecting numbers, it's about turning data into actionable insights. Operators use trend logs to monitor key parameters like temperature, humidity, power consumption, and flow rates. This helps in diagnosing irregularities or equipment faults before they escalate. By comparing historical performance, teams can optimize operations and support energy audits or compliance reports. Whether it's catching a failing chiller early or identifying unnecessary energy use, trend logging empowers smarter, more efficient building management. There are several types of trend logs, each serving a unique purpose. Interval-based logs record data at set intervals, such as every 5 minutes, providing a steady stream of information. Change of value, or COV logs, only record when a value changes beyond a set threshold, reducing unnecessary data. Event-triggered logs capture data only when specific events occur, like an alarm activation. Choosing the right type ensures you capture the most relevant data without overwhelming your storage or analysis tools. To get the most from trend logging, it's important to follow some best practices. Assign appropriate logging intervals to avoid storage overload. Too much data can be as problematic as too little. Use tags and grouping to make visualization easier and more meaningful. Regularly archive logs to keep your system running smoothly and ensure historical data is always available for analysis. These practices help maintain a balance between comprehensive monitoring and efficient data management. Next, let's talk about scheduling. Scheduling in BMS refers to the automatic, time-based control of building systems like HVAC, lighting, and water pumps. By setting up schedules, operators can ensure systems run only when needed, saving energy and reducing wear. For example, office HVAC might be set to operate during weekdays and turn off on weekends. Scheduling is a powerful tool for aligning building operations with occupancy patterns and business needs. There are different types of schedules to fit various operational needs. Weekly schedules are common, such as running office HVAC on weekdays and shutting it down on weekends. Holiday schedules provide overrides for public holidays, ensuring systems don't run unnecessarily. Event-based schedules activate systems only during specific events, like running ventilation during a conference. These flexible options help operators fine-tune building performance for maximum efficiency. A well-designed schedule includes several key components. Start and stop times define when systems should operate. Days of the week specify which days the schedule applies to, while exceptions or overrides handle special cases like holidays. Priority rules are essential when multiple schedules overlap, ensuring the most important schedule takes precedence. By carefully configuring these elements, operators can ensure smooth and efficient building operations. To maximize the benefits of scheduling, align schedules with actual occupancy patterns. Include buffer times before and after working hours to accommodate early arrivals or late departures. Regularly review and adjust schedules based on seasonality or changes in building use. These best practices help maintain comfort, reduce energy waste, and adapt to evolving needs without manual intervention. Alarm management is the third pillar of effective BMS operation. Alarms notify operators of abnormal system conditions, such as equipment failures, parameter deviations, or safety hazards. By providing real-time alerts, BMS alarms enable rapid response to issues, minimizing downtime and protecting occupants. Effective alarm management ensures that critical problems are never overlooked and that operators can act quickly when it matters most. BMS alarms come in several types. Critical alarms for major failures like chiller breakdowns or fire system faults, warning alarms for issues like high CO2 levels, and informational alarms for routine notifications. Modern BMS platforms offer features such as real-time notifications via email or SMS, timestamping with acknowledgement tracking, alarm priorities, escalation, filtering, and historical analysis. These features help operators prioritize responses and maintain a safe, efficient environment. To avoid alarm fatigue, classify alarms by severity critical, major, or minor, and use color-coded dashboards for quick interpretation. Apply thresholds and deadbands to prevent alarm flooding and perform regular alarm testing and audits to ensure reliability. By following these best practices, operators can focus on the most important issues and maintain a responsive, well-organized alarm system. The real power of BMS comes from integrating trend logs, alarms, and schedules into a unified front-end interface. By visualizing these elements together, operators can quickly correlate alarms with trends like linking a rising temperature to a fan failure. Automatic reports that combine trends and alarm summaries provide actionable insights for ongoing optimization. This integration streamlines operations and supports smarter, more proactive building management. In summary, trend logging, scheduling, and alarm management are the backbone of smart, efficient building control. When used effectively, these features help operators optimize performance, reduce costs, and ensure safety and comfort for everyone in the building. By mastering these BMS essentials, facility teams can transform data into action, respond proactively to issues, and drive continuous improvement. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the heart of modern building management.